Severe Storm Bora causes devastation in Greece. Storm Bora wreaked havoc in Greece on Saturday, resulting in 2 confirmed deaths in Lemnos and widespread flooding on the island of Rhodes. The bad weather conditions caused by Bora are expected to continue until tomorrow, impacting areas such as Lemnos and Rhodes, where extensive damage has been recorded. The 2 fatalities in Lemnos and significant destruction of infrastructure, homes, and crops highlight the severity of the situation. The country's resilience has been put to the test since yesterday due to the adverse weather brought by Bora, leading authorities and emergency services to make every effort to protect residents and repair the damages. In many instances, the fire department rushed to rescue citizens, especially in Rhodes. Simultaneously, extremely strong and localized storm winds are predicted to occur, while heavy snowfall is expected in western Macedonia, the Epirus mountains, and other parts of Macedonia.
Βουλιάζουμε ρε!
Πρώτη φορά στα χρονικά. Έχει ξεφυλίσει το ποτάμι.
Lemnos mourns the loss of 2 individuals, as roads on the island turn into torrents. The village of Kontias was the first to be hit by the floods, followed by Thanos and Myrina, where rivers overflowed, sweeping away vehicles and causing severe damage.
Έμεινε στη μέση του δρόμου. Δεν ξέρει κανείς ακόμα.
Meanwhile, Rhodes is grappling with adverse weather conditions, with flooded houses, ruined crops, and significant issues with the road network. Notable issues arising from the intense phenomenon include occurrences in Ialissos, Dematria, and Pastida, where river overflow led to flooding. According to Vasilios Vathrakoyiannis, a representative of the fire department, they responded to over 600 calls, following the Ministry of Climate Crisis's directive to halt traffic on the island for 24 hours.